Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a price prediction video of Gala coin. Guys, Gala is going crazy, guys. It's a Gala games have always been one of the best tokens. You can see already their Galaverse due to the metaverse they have posted in their cover art on the Twitter. So let's try and find out the levels, and you can see crazy parabolic move just like the sand and the mana token. The Gala is also increasing, and if we take a look at their ether scan, you can see the supply 15% in the team wallet. And let me check the this one of the BSC scan, 6%, the team wallet 3%. So you can see the limited supply is not that huge. I meant to say that not that much of the supply is held by the large wallets. If we take a look at the coin market cap, just take a look at the volume, guys. Crazy volume, huge volume, guys. $7 billion. It has surpassed the BTC volume on the Binance exchange. 245% increase in the volume. That's absolutely insane, with the market cap of $5 billion. That is not small amount, and 77% increase in the volume. And if we take a look of the 7 days history, okay, last 7 days, you can see the price was around 0.23, and the volume was it started to increase. The volume has increased tremendously, okay. And if we take a look at this Twitter C indicator, it also shows that last 24 hours the sand Gala sand CRV has pumped crazy. And if we take a look at the let me check one more thing before we go to the tradingview.com, and let's try and find out. Yeah, it's okay. Let's head over to Gala USDT. And also one more thing, if you check out their Twitter page, they posted 11 hours ago. Here's the recap for the last 3 matchups. And also one more thing, the AMA 24 hours ago, betwixt note vote AMA with the Gala games. And you can also check out all the things, so gaming tokens, metaverse, and all that stuff is getting crazy gains these days. So always take a look at the Gala and also the metaverse coins. Okay, now let's head over to TradingView. You can already see the price is going crazy, so I'm just gonna start with the help of Fibonacci levels just to see how. Let me show you. Let me try and find out the swing high. We have this swing high, and if we take into account the one and only 61%, this is a 61%, okay, but that is not swing high. I'm gonna readjust it to somewhere else. Let's delete this one again, okay, and let me draw it again with a new one here. Let me turn on the weekly one. That would be good. Okay, now you can see that is huge parabolic move, guys, but it has to come down for the pullback. Keep that in your mind as well. Okay, keep that in your mind as well, that this can fall back as well. Keeping this swing high into account, it has tested this level of 200%. It can also pull back. If we take a look on the daily chart, let me draw the support and resistance levels, because this is due to the huge parabolic move. I will come down to the 4-hour chart to give you the better picture. Okay, to give you the better picture. So here is the current scenario. Here, let me show you, and also let me show you here the volume. You can see huge increase in the volume. The volume has always been in the uptrend since the 15th of November. You can see since 16th of November 2021, the volume has been in the uptrend, and since then the volume and the price movement is in the uptrend and parabolic move. And you can see the rally towards the upside. You see, just like X Infinity, Mana, Sand, they all been following this, made the swing high, then a small pullback and consolidation, then another wave upward, then a pullback and consolidation, and same goes. And you can see here, this was the first wave, second wave, third, Okay, this was the fourth one, then that is the fifth one. So from there are 5 Elliott waves. Okay, keep that in your mind, 5 Elliott waves. After that we usually see this sort of, you know, movement like this one. Okay, when we break below this swing low or this swing high, that would be an indication that we are going down. Okay, so that could happen. Be prepared for that. This could be the scenario we might gonna face in the coming days, so be prepared for that, because this is what happens in the, you know, the Elliott waves, ABC. Usually we follow the 1 2 3 4 5, then 3 downward waves, and that completes the one cycle of Elliott wave. So this can happen, so be prepared for that. I'm gonna draw the levels so you can place, or even you can take into account your support level. So first level of support here is the 0.48 up to 0.45182. that should be your first level of support. Here it acted as a resistance, then got rejection, then again it acted as a resistance, and once it break up we saw a pullback and then a consolidation and move up. So the strong support could be 0.48 and 45. This could be taken into account. Okay, that would be your first level of support. The second level of support is the swing low. Here you can see multiple times this area has been tested multiple times. So draw the level from this area to this one, so that would give you the general picture. Here if I draw the level here, 0.35, that would be your second support, and 0.34 888, that would be your, that is the demand zone. That is also a demand zone, but that is the first demand zone, that is the second demand zone. So guys, this area has to get retested because a breakout candle, gaps in here, gaps in here. Okay, huge breakout candle, never a pullback here, so gaps in here. Okay, and as you can see, this was a breakout candle and it eventually came down for a healthy retest. So that is why I'm very, you know, positive that this would be your strong support level, 0.3534, but that could be a weak support. So that is a weak support, that is a strong support. So these are the levels which you have to take into account. And the next up before I sign off the video would be the swing high, this one, and could also be taken into account as well. So that would be your next level of support, 0.27 and 259. So that is the current level of support. And if we just do the, you know, take the swing low and match it with the swing high. Okay, this is the Fibonacci level on the 4-hour chart. Then we take a look at this 61 level. Okay, this is the, let me just readjust it towards the left side just to show you, towards the center would be good. Okay, 61, here we saw a rejection, as you can see, 61. Okay, next up 61, here we saw a rejection here. Next 61 is here. So these are the levels which I'm talking about. We also can retest here as well. You can see perfect bounce off from 61 level, but as you can see, combine it with the Elliott wave, the volume is huge, definitely people are going to sell and these levels are going to be tested. So that was the price prediction video of the Gala coin. Okay, Gala USDT pair of the Binance, why the Gala coin is pumping. So thanks for watching guys, take care, bye.